Hi, welcome to our YouTube channel and our class. In the previous lecture, we have studied about the similarity of triangle and test. Right? We have studied three tests. The one is AA test, second is SAS test, and third is SSS test. For examples, I have just written on a board. Just we wanted to see that whether that pairs they are similar or not. Okay. So let us see check about the first pair. What we could observe here we could observe that two triangles are given to you. You could recognize two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle AEF. These two triangles are there, right? So we can say that what we could observe now, there is a type of questions. This kind of questions, if they are tricky, and if you need to solve them with a proper method, try to draw separate figures for them. Okay, that is another way to tackle with this question. But you can observe from the figure itself, angle A is a common. You could see that angle A is common to you, that for both the triangles, and angle B common to angle F. It means that these two triangles are similar by which test? Double test of similarity, right? How we are going to write down that? Now I could say that in triangle AFE and triangle ABC, angle EAF is congruent to angle BAC. I could write down this region as common angle, and angle AFE congruent to angle ABC. This was given. Now most important, again in the previous lecture also I said about how to write down the corresponding pair. So how we are going to write down corresponding pair? Angle A is congruent to angle A, angle F congruent to angle B. So I could write down triangle A, B, C similar to triangle. For A it is corresponding A, for F it is corresponding, or we can say B. So I could write down here F and E. By which test? I could say that A test of similarity, right? So here it comes with the question. Suppose if they ask you to write down the corresponding sides which are in proportion for a similar triangle. Okay, so which are the corresponding sides? I could write down here it as AB upon AF is equal to BC upon FE is equal to AC upon AE. What reason I am going to write down? Corresponding sides of similar triangle are in proportion. Okay, I could write down the remaining pair of angles. So angle AEF congruent to angle ACB, reason corresponding angle of similar triangle, right? So that is about the first question. Second question I have given again, you could recognize there are the two triangles. I could say that in triangle, which are they? PQR and triangle PSR. Anyway, you can name them or you can write them. Okay. So what we observe? We observe that angle PQR is congruent to angle PSR. So angle PQR congruent to angle PSR. This is given. Okay, from the figure. I could write down angle PRQ congruent to angle PRQ congruent to angle RPS. This is also given because they have shown with a double sign. Okay. Now how to write down the correspondence, because these are the two sufficient conditions. So what is the correspondence? What is the corresponding pair for PQR triangle similar to triangle? For corresponding to P in PQR we don't have anything, but for Q it is given S and for R it is given P. Okay, so for Q it is S and for R it is P. So what is the P remaining corresponding to? P remaining corresponding to what we are going ahead with, that is remaining is what? R. So check out is that PQR. Now PQR, P single angle and double sign. Okay, now next I am saying about R, S and P. Yes, my pair is correct. What is the reason? The reason I am going to write down, that is A test of similarity. Now how we have written for this? Corresponding sides also you need to write down here. Okay, what we are going to write down? PQ upon RS is equal to QR upon SP is equal to PR upon RP, because that is a common side what we have among say. Okay. Now the third figure. We will go ahead with our third figure. What we can say about the third figure? Here they have given only two triangle. One common side is there and another two sides are given. Okay. So we need to write down in triangle PMT and triangle PRT. By observation, we can say that they are not similar. Why they are not similar? Let us check. Consider, because your all sides are given to you. Okay, this is 2, this is 8. I could write down, consider PM upon PR is equal to 8 upon 2 is equal to 4 upon 1. This is my equation 1. Then I could write down MT upon TR is equal to 10 upon 5 is equal to, right? 10 upon 5 is equal to how much? How I'm going to write down is equal to 2 upon 1. This is 2. And third one, that is PT upon TP is equal to 6 upon 6 is equal to 1 upon 1. That is 3. None of the test is possible for this particular case. So all three sides are different in proportion, right? They are not saying, suppose it become 4 upon 1, 4 upon 1, 4 upon 1. Yes, we could say that these two triangles are similar by SSS test of similarity, otherwise it is not. So obviously triangles are not similar. Now this is not possible, this is possible, this is possible. Now what about this? Now here we could see that two sides are given to you. So again I could consider that in triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Now to check whether the given triangles are similar or not, what I am going to do, two sides and one angle is given to you. Okay. So given is that AB upon PQ is given 5 upon 1 is equal to 5 upon 1. Next is BC upon QR is equal to 7.5 upon 1.5 is equal to 5 upon 1. Okay. So two sides are in proportion and angle ABC is equal to angle PQ is equal to angle PRQ, but it is not Q. So here angle Q is not included in two sides and hence the given triangles are not similar. Okay, you could say that, sir, you said that the two sides must be proportion and one included angle. So read the SAS test again from your textbook where they have mentioned about these two angles have to be included for corresponding angles, corresponding triangles. Then only it is possible. So we have seen this, for example, for the possibility of whether the given pair of triangles are similar or not. Just have a look at it. Hi. Again, we have seen it. We have taken a question based on your angles of test of similarity. Okay. The question is in triangle ABC, if AD is perpendicular to BC and AD square is equal to BD into DC, prove that these two triangles are similar. Figure is not given to you. So we try to draw that figure. The figure is given like this. AD is perpendicular to BC. I am saying that this is A, this is D, this is B, this is C, and it is given right angle. Okay. Now what is given to you? We need to prove that these two triangles. So I could write down that in triangle DBA and triangle DAC, because our end point is this. Okay, DBA and triangle DAC. We have considered these two triangles. What is given to us? AD square is equal to BD into DC. This was given. So can we write down AD upon BD is equal to BC upon AD? What I have did, AD and AD have just displaced myself. Okay. So AD upon BD is equal to DC upon AD. Right? And what about angle? Angle ADC and angle ADB is right angle. Angle ADB is congruent to angle ADC. This is what? Each 90 degree. So what we can say about this now? What we can say about these two cases now? Right? This is corresponding sides are in proportion. AD of this triangle, BD of this triangle, then BC of this triangle and AD of this triangle, right? So we could say that by SIS test of similarity, this two triangle pair, which is that pair, triangle DBA similar to triangle DAC, by which test? SIS test of similarity. Just I have taken a question which is other than from your textbook, which is not included in your textbook, just give an idea from outside the textbook. Another question they could ask, show that angle BAC is equal to 90 degrees. This is my additional question for you people. How to go ahead with? Nothing else, just you go ahead with the same concept. How we are saying that angle BAD. Now you could say that angle BAD congruent to angle ACD. BADACD. Like this angle and this angle, correct? Now I could name this as angle 1, okay, to angle C. This is 1. And second one I can write down angle ABD. ABD congruent to angle CAD. This is congruent to this. Fine. What is sum of the measure of all angles of triangle? 180 degree. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. But what about angle B equal to angle this, and this is equal to this? Suppose if I consider this as x, this as y, x, this is y, this is y. X plus y plus x plus y is equal to 180. 2x plus 2y is equal to 180. X plus y is equal to 90. What is x plus y? Angle BAD plus angle DAC is equal to 90 degree. So that means angle BAC is equal to 90 degree. This is a just application of the writer I have given based on the cases what you come across for that similarity, right? Let us have a look at this question. We will consider one more question from your textbook, so you will be also get relaxed for that particular case. Okay, just have a look at it. Okay, we have considered the question number 4 from your textbook, that is exercise 1.3. The question was given in triangle ABC, segment AP perpendicular to BC, BQ perpendicular to AC, B dash P dash C, this is the betweenness condition, A dash Q dash C betweenness condition. Prove that these two triangles are similar first, and then they asked you to find out AC. Okay, the second question was to find AC. Now, how we are proceeding with the question? If you could see the question itself, is that simple? You try to figure out the two triangles separately, which is that CPA. It is a right angle triangle. Yes. CQB. It is a right angle triangle. Yes. Right. So one angle pair you obtain. What about angle C? You could see that angle C is a common angle. That's it. Right. How we are going to proceed with this question? Your solution is in triangle CPA and triangle CQB. Okay. How we are writing this? Angle ACP congruent to angle BCQ. What is the reason? It is a common angle. Okay. Then angle ABC congruent to angle which is that BQC. Reason? Each 90 degree. Correct. Now you can write down the same name. Whatever they have given? You don't have to think. If you could think, it is the same. CPA similar to triangle CQB, by which test? It is an A test of similarity. Right? So this is the first point what we obtain. Now what they asked you to find out? They asked you to find out what is that AC. You can write down the remaining pair because they have given the value of AP and BQ, right? So AP and BQ, I can write down AP upon QB, AP upon BQ is equal to BC upon is equal to CA upon CB. What is the reason? It is corresponding sides of similar triangle are in proportion. Many people are asking, Sir, can we write this? No. CSSP? No. Okay. Now put the values. What is given the value of AP? It is 7 upon 8 is equal to AC we need to find. So that is AC upon BC ka value they have given 12. So 7 into 12 upon 8 is equal to AC. So the value of AC is found out to be 4 2s are 4 3s are, that is 21 upon 2, that is 10.5. You need to write down the answer in units. Okay, so this is your the first is proved. Here you need to write down is proved, and here we found. So that is the answer for the question number 4, exercise 1.3 from SSC textbook. Correct? So this is about the application of similarity as per your requirement. This is a question I have given in addition. You need to do the second part of this question. If there is any question, there is any problem in your exercise, you let me know. If you are having any other question, please make a comment on Google Class or on our comment box down. And our next lecture will be shortly. I will be delivering on areas of similar triangle, which is an important application for that similarity, right? Just have a look at the question, whatever I have given to you.